Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming your Windows build and enabling virtualization. This is why Wsl2 needs a recent kernel and hardware support. Open PowerShell as administrator and run the first commands to enable the features. Once done, enable the Windows Subsystem for Linux and the virtual machine platform features. These two pieces work together to run the lightweight VM. Make sure to reboot when prompted so Windows applies them, and your system is ready for the kernel update step. Next, install the Linux kernel update package because Wsl2 uses a real Linux kernel for compatibility and performance. Once installed, run WSL set default version 2 so new distros use WSL2 by default. Then install your chosen Linux distribution from the Microsoft Store or import a distro tarball if you prefer manual setup. After installation, launch the distro, create your Unix user, and update packages. This confirms the kernel and distro are communicating correctly. Finalize the setup by converting any existing distro to WSL2 with WSL set version distro 2. This may take a few minutes depending on disk size. Configure optional settings in WSL config and allocate resources if needed, and then test with simple Linux commands. If something fails, restart the LXSS manager service or reboot. Many issues resolve after a restart. Troubleshooting tip. If networking or VM errors persist, verify BIOS virtualization, ensure Hyper-V and virtual machine platform are enabled, and then reapply the kernel update.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.